Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw a heart icon on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to your canvas on Affinity Designer, and of course if you like you can use the pen tool or pencil tool for that. However guys, there is also the option to insert a heart icon as a shape and to customize its appearance later. So what you want to do is right click into the shape tool here and then look for the heart icon or heart tool. You will see it here. And then what you want to do is left click on your canvas and then position your heart icon. So you may, for example, find your preferred aspect ratio, or if you want to stabilize the aspect ratio, you may press and hold left shift on your keyboard, release your left mouse and left shift on your keyboard, and then you will see a heart icon like this. So that's it. You may also change the fill color. So let us switch to, I don't know, something pink. And that's a beautiful heart icon. So you may now resize it, rotate it, change its fill color, stroke color, the opacity, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.